Today, we are going to unbox and review everything you need to know about this BLAVOR 45W power bank with built-in cables and solar charging capabilities. As we open this box, let's talk a bit about the standout features. First, with its built-in cables, it is all you need for your travel or camping charging needs. Just throw it in your bag, and you are ready to go. Second, it has fast 45W charging capabilities, so you can power a MacBook Air, fast charge phones, and fully charge it in just 2 hours. Finally, having a solar charging option to top off the battery, or for emergency charging while outdoors, is a nice feature. Inside the box, the first thing we find is the welcome guide. Inside, the welcome guide does mention that solar charging is just a backup option, as it would take several days in the sun to actually fully charge the battery. It also provides safety information and a diagram showing many of the product features. It also lists the voltage and amperage of each port and cable. On the flip side, you can find information about the 3-year warranty, the support email, maintenance and troubleshooting tips, and instructions on how to use each of the product features, such as charging the power bank, charging devices, using the LED lights, using the red pointer light, and using the camping light. The next thing in the box is a strap with a carabiner. It is a nice accessory, allowing you to attach the battery to a backpack or other equipment. Unfortunately, there is not a full carrying case though. The final accessory is a small USB-C charging cable. While convenient, it could be a little longer, and it would have also been nice to get a wall adapter for charging. All in all though, nice packaging and accessories. Now let's take a quick look at the power bank itself. The power bank is crafted from high-strength, flame-retardant ABS and PC materials, which gives it a rugged, substantial feel. It is ready for outdoor use, and is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. Now, let's go through each feature of this power bank. First, we have the 4 built-in cables. There is a USB-C output cable, a USB-C input-output cable, a USB-A input cable, and a lightning output cable. Another great feature of this power bank is an included 15-watt, wireless, fast charging pad. Moving to the next side of the power bank, we see the built-in compass and thermometer. Although the power bank has a solar panel for charging, you should monitor the temperature of the battery unit, as if it gets over 176 degrees Fahrenheit, the battery may swell or explode. This side also has the clip, where you can attach the strap and carabiner. Continuing, this side has the solar panel, great for off-grid emergency charging. And then there is the camping lamp. We click the power button to turn on the power bank. The LEDs show the current battery level. In addition, there is a green LED power indicator that will light up. If no devices are plugged in to charge, the battery will automatically shut off in 30 seconds. Let's turn on the flashlight. Long press the light switch for 3 seconds, and they turn on. Then, a short click will change it to SOS mode. Another click will move it into strobe mode. And then one more click will turn the lights off. Also, at any point in time that the lights are on, you can press and hold the light switch for 3 seconds to turn the lights off. Double-clicking the light switch turns on the camping light, and subsequent single clicks adjusts the brightness for 3 levels. Next, let's take a look at the red light pointer. To turn it on, you click and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Press and hold the power button again to turn it off. Now let's get to charging and the remaining ports. There are a multitude of ways to charge this power bank. The most convenient way is to just use the built-in USB-A or USB-C charging cable and connect it to a power source. Once plugged in, you will see the battery level LED lights blinking, showing that the power bank is charging. Finally, if that was not enough features, there are 3 more ports under a protective silicone cover. A USB-A output port, a USB-C input/output port. Note, this one is the 45-watt fast charging port that can power even a small laptop. And a lightning input port, so you can charge the power bank using a lightning cable. BLAVOR has really thought of almost everything for this power bank. Solar charging is easy. Just place the power bank in direct sunlight, and you will see a green light next to the blinking battery level lights, indicating that the battery is being charged by sunlight. Finally, let's do some charging. First, let's pull out all of the built-in cables, since we will mostly use those. In addition, let's turn on the LED lights. We did find you can only have either the LED light on, or the camping light. Not both, but you can have one of those on, while charging devices. Then, to charge a device, just click on the power button, and then plug in the device. Also, you can just put your phone on the wireless charging pad. Finally, this power bank is strong enough to charge a tablet, or as mentioned, even a laptop. With 45 watts of total output, this battery can easily charge multiple devices simultaneously. Also, with multiple safety certifications, you can rest assured that it will safely charge your devices without overheating. One thing we did notice is pass-through charging is a bit finicky. If you plug the power bank into a charging source, often it will stop charging some of devices that are plugged in. And that is our review. We hope you found this video informative. We did receive this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.